ordered a bunch of stuff online and it finally came. First thing, digital hanging scale. This is so we catch all of our fish and we can weigh all of our 30-pounders.
Mark did all of this purchasing, so I don't know what we're about to open.
It's a
right
surprise.
now.
All right, go to the second one.
Hold on, let me get a trash bucket. And in here, I just saw the label.
They actually sell bats for fishing. Can you add lead weights to it or something? I ordered the blue camouflage version so the fish don't actually see it coming.
But yeah, they call that thing the priest. I like to think it's because you give fish their last rites with it. But
Dude.
Ah! Ah!
Got it. I got it. We're good.
Oh, I became that what I hated most.
All right.
A river polluter.
I did not order this. A meat thermometer. My wife probably ordered it. Sorry about that.
Well, this one is heavy. There's two packages. One has a multitude of lures. There's a frog that's real cute in here.
We don't know what we're doing when it comes to fishing. My game plan was just to order a bunch of random stuff, throw it in the water, and see what actually works.
And this is some kind of waterproof box. This is what had all the weights to it.
Bunch of hooks and bobbers and
beads. You're gonna want beads. I don't get it.
Yep. This one is it's my new fishing pole.
This is perfect for you. It's blue and the most gimmicky fishing rod I've ever seen.
It's actually a children's fishing rod.
Yep.
I ordered it because it's made for small hands. Oh yeah, dude, look at this thing. This thing's serious. Do I name it? Is it the Blue Whip?
It tells you how to tie a hook onto a line, and it does not look like something I could accomplish.
Got a bunch of gummy worms in there. This thing transforms, man.
Oh, that's already assembled?
You don't want to mess with the Blue Whip.
I thought this was going to be the pole, so now I'm real curious.
Hold on, did we say that to last?
I don't know.
I think we do. Feel the anticipation.
Okay, so this is Zach's high-end fishing pliers and gripper set.
Oh.
Oh, wow. This is just the holster.
Yeah, you put it on a belt. That's what I forgot. I was going to wear a belt and then tout it.
Tout it? Wow. This looks like something the Mandalorian would use. What's in here?
That's the thing you actually like grab them so you don't have to touch them.
Looks like another thing the Mandalorian would use. Oh, I've installed the chip. So there's.
Oh yeah.
Is this another priest?
These are fishing rod holders. Are there screws in there?
Not that.
Of course not.
Did you get 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stainless steel. No screws.
No hardware.
Well, we're not gonna be using these today. All right, you're up.
Didn't I just open that?
Let's open it together.
Okay. Oh, what a beautiful moment. Net.
Ah, net. And those are the fishing gloves for medium-sized hands.
Yeah, they're way too big.
Are they?
No.
Dude.
Oh, they got the little mag.
And this net, I was pumped because the netting on it is kind of big, so we can use it for grabbing garbage out of the river instead of using the claws all the time.
I seen a video of someone pulling 6-foot-long roots out of a toilet wearing gloves like this. The top comment was, that is not nearly enough glove coverage.
I would have thought that this would have been net.
Oh!
I've got no clue what that is. Oh yeah. And the final thing is...
Oh.
Ah, yeah, the fishing rod holder. Now, we don't have to trip over fishing rods. We ordered a bunch of stuff off Amazon. Now we have to figure out how to use it. Oh!
There's one!
You figured out what not to do. So if you click on this video right here, you'll see what else happened.
Probably more of that.
Thanks for watching. You instantly, within 2 seconds of holding it. Why does fishing seem so complicated all of a sudden? There's a lot of stuff.